They're doing so well now. Let's just give them a lot of water. But this must be quite saddy in this side. I don't know why. But that one there is massive. Yeah. I like to cut them, but I changed my mind. I thought it was quite dirty here. So look at this. My straw flowers. And then this is Medalia. Medalia there. The yellow one. Few flower here too. And 3, 4, look at that. I think that the bee is asleep. Where is it sleeping? Yeah, I think she's asleep. This one too. Did you get stuck in the white one here? My tomato. This side all sad. Nag-harvest naman ako yesterday. No, last night. Maybe. That's my cucumber. Another tomato here. Hinayaan ko lang. Ngayon, nabushy na. Just let them to go wild. Marami naman kasing bee. Inano ng animals yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Yung aking pinky ng aking anak. Another squash. Another one or two. Niremove ko yung isa dito, di ba? Binigyan ako ng 4. So, ayan. I wonder if I remove this one. Hindi pa magbunga pa to. Parang hindi na ata. Ayan. Late na ata ito. Namatay na nga yung ano. Hinihintay ko lang yan na mamatay. Ayan. Aking talong dyan. Chilies. Ayan. Anyway. Bye. Salamat. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye.